Thank you very much for joining us. Stormwatch 9 weather on the web. Windy out there today and even stronger winds likely in many spots overnight tonight into the day on Sunday. We've actually seen some power outages scattered across the Granite State on Saturday, and with those winds cranking up to 30, 40, even 45 miles per hour, not out of the question we could see more overnight into the day on Sunday. Something to keep in mind in the short term as we wrap up this weekend. Now, the big travel week for many, Thanksgiving week. What does the weather offer? Well, quiet weather on Monday, sun, a little bit breezy, patchy clouds, not out of the question, but nice and quiet on area roadways. Showers are likely on Tuesday, could even be some mixing in the North Country. By Wednesday, back to dry weather, sun, clouds, maybe a flurry or two in northern New Hampshire, but not too bad for traveling Wednesday night, and Thanksgiving morning. However, starting Thanksgiving afternoon, especially late day or the evening into Friday, we are watching for a close run at the next storm that could bring snow, a mix, rain, or all three. We'll have much more in that as we get a little bit closer. In the short term, though, it's all about the gusty winds. Take a look at Futurecast between now and tomorrow. Some of those gusts up over 40 miles per hour. So again, scattered outages are likely right through the second half of the weekend. Now the winds will come down a little bit Sunday night into Monday. Still a little bit on the breezy side, but not as strong in the wind department to kick off next week. So for tonight, lingering flakes of snow or mixed showers north, dry elsewhere with clouds and some breaks at times. Again, the big story, the gusty winds out of the northwest. Tomorrow, clouds and sun mixed south, mixed or snow showers to the north, 30s north, 40 south. But once again, the big story, those gusty winds. And on Monday, the wind's not as strong, more sun, 30s north, and 40s for many in central and southern New Hampshire. As mentioned, great traveling weather on Monday. By Tuesday, a weak storm moves in, some beneficial rain for many, some mixing not out of the question in the White Mountains and the Great North Woods, so the roads could be a little bit dicey in the North Country, while southern areas will just see wet roads from mid-morning through the early evening. And then it dries out. Great traveling weather for Tuesday night into Wednesday and early on Thanksgiving. However, notice the map by Thanksgiving afternoon into the early evening. This particular computer run paints snow or mix for many later on in the day into part of Friday. The big question is, of course, what will the track end up like? And that will dictate how much precipitation we actually see. There are some computer models that actually drive a lot of the snow, mixing, and rain off to our south. But of course, we'll have important updates between now and early next week, so stay tuned.